today's video, I would like to show you how I took two plain TV trays and did an upcycle project. We love to camp, but in the camper or at the campgrounds, there's never enough room for us to sit and eat. So I took these two TV trays and not only made something functional, but entertaining. This first one, I did a checkerboard pattern so that we can actually sit and play checkers. The second one, I just put a chalkboard. The grandkids love to draw and color, so I thought that this would be good for them. While we're playing checkers, they can sit and draw. It was just a few easy steps. Let's take a look back at how I did this. I began by lightly sanding the TV trays. The sander that I'm using today is a battery-powered cordless sander that my husband got me for my birthday. It works great, and it's so much easier than having to fight with that cord. After wiping the trays down, it was time to paint. I'm going to cheat a little bit with my paint. I went ahead and bought some spray paint. I like using spray paint on chairs or little tables where the legs are thin and it's hard to get a paintbrush in all the areas. The color is a matte gray. I usually get Rust-Oleum. I think that the Rust-Oleum brand adheres really well. They did not have Rust-Oleum, so I went ahead and got the crayon. All in all, I used 4 cans of spray paint, 2 for each table. Now for the checkerboard pattern. Yes, I've seen this done with painter's tape, but I have a Cricut machine, so I just pulled it out, looked up checkerboard pattern, and there it came up. I had to do a little adjustment to make the checkerboard fit on a 12 by 12 sheet of reusable vinyl, but it was very easy. I usually just eyeball, but this time I thought it would be pretty important to have the checkerboard at least centered on the table. So after finding the center of the table and finding the center of the checkerboard pattern, I just matched up the dot. Could have used permanent vinyl for the checkered board and put it on the table, and it would have been just fine and held up well. But instead, I'm going to do a reverse stencil technique using removable vinyl and paint. I've did this several times in my other videos, so I won't bore you with the instructions. After adding a border with the painter's tape, it was time to paint. Because the TV tray is going to be used to eat off of and to play checkers on, I wanted to protect the top, so I just sprayed it a couple of coats with the clear matte enamel, and that brand was Rust-Oleum. For the second TV tray, I'm going to put a chalkboard on the top. So same concept, I just used the painter's tape to create a border around the chalkboard. The grandbabies just love to write on the chalkboard, and I thought that it would keep them occupied while we were playing checkers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do an upcycle project of your own.